Create a 3 minutes video for YouTube about how to make butterscotch cake. This recipe is considered easy because it uses a yellow cake mix as a base, significantly cutting down on prep time while still giving you that rich butterscotch flavor. Ingredients for the cake: 1 box, 1825 Oz, 517 Dre, yellow cake mix, 2 large eggs, 1 can, 1575 Oz, 446 Dre, ready-to-eat butterscotch pudding, 1 per 2 cup packed brown sugar, 1 cup, about 6 Oz, 170 gram butterscotch chips. For the glaze icing, optional simple glaze, 1 to 2 cup powdered sugar, 1 to 2 tablespoons milk or water, 1 to 2 teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions: 1. Prepare the batter. Preheat your oven to 350 degree Fahrenheit, 175 degree wood. Grease and flour a 9-13-inch baking pan, or line it with parchment paper. In a large mixing bowl, combine the cake mix, eggs, and butterscotch pudding. Mix well until the batter is smooth and fully combined. 2. Bake the cake. Pour the batter into the prepared 9-13-inch pan. Sprinkle the 1/2 cup of brown sugar evenly over the top of the batter. Sprinkle the butterscotch chips over the brown sugar layer. Bake for 30 to 40 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. 3. Cool and glaze. Let the cake cool in the pan on a wire rack. For a simple glaze, while the cake cools, whisk together the powdered sugar, milk, and vanilla extract until smooth. Add more milk, water for a thinner glaze, or more powdered sugar for a thicker one. Drizzle the glaze over the cooled cake. You can also serve it plain for a lighter dessert. Tip for enhanced flavor: toasted chips. If you have extra butterscotch chips, you can toast a few on a parchment-lined pan in the oven for a few minutes until they are lightly browned, and sprinkle these on top of the finished glaze for an extra crunch and depth of flavor.